Hi boys and girls, happy Monday. Time to do our phonics lesson. We're going to start with our rhyming. Remember, you're going to listen to me, then you repeat. Give me a thumbs up if it rhymes, a thumbs down if it doesn't. All right, here we go. This miss. That's right, it rhymes. Hard yard. And them. Went sent. To do. Great. Okay, our next one is our onset fluency, and this is a little different this week. We haven't done it this way before. This time, I'm going to say a word, and then you get to pick the words that start with the same sound. So let me give you an example. Tell me a word that sounds like jam. Oh, actually, tell me a word that begins like jam. So you might say, jam, job, joke, join, Judy. Any word that begins with that j sound, you can give me, all right? So we'll do a couple together and then see if you can come up with some by yourself. Tell me a word that begins like kite. So think for a second, words that start with k, k, k. Kite, cake, cat, kind. All of those words start with k. All right, now you try to think of some on your own. Tell me a word that begins like pig. How about pile, pond, Pokemon? All of those words begin with p. All right, next word. Tell me a word that begins like so. So, sleep, sun, sail. All of those words begin with s. All right, we'll do one more. Tell me a word that begins like made. Right? Made. Mountain, mother, mermaid. All of those words begin with All right, good job with that. We'll try some more of those tomorrow. The next thing we're going to do, we need our choppers. So take your choppers out and you're going to repeat after me. We're going to blend our phonemes. Ready? S, E, C. Your turn. M, E, me. N, E, knee. W, E, we. B, E, bee. Great. Next one, we're going to isolate our final sounds. This is the one where we're going to be saying that word and punching out the final sound. Ready? You're going to watch me, then you try. Little, rag, stayed, pop, home. Good job. All right, next one, we're going to segment our phonemes again, but we're going to go the other way. We're going to say the whole word, then chop it into two pieces. New, n, ooh. chew, ch, oo. Shoe, sh, oo. Awesome. All right, next one, we're adding something to the beginning of our word. So you're going to start with an ending. I'm going to have you add a beginning. Repeat after me. Ooh. Add d. Do. I. Add h. Hi. A. Add w. Way. E. Add b. B. O. Add Mo. You got it. Next one is we're deleting a sound from the beginning of our word. So you're going to hold a word in your hands and we're going to take away the beginning. All right, repeat after me. May. Without what's left is A. Good job. T. Without t, what's left is E. Knee. Without what's left is E. Bow. Without b, what's left is ow. Shy. Without sh, what's left is I. Nice job, boys and girls. All right, we're almost done. Our next one is our substituting. You're going to need your fists, and we're going to be changing out the beginning of the word. All right, your word is so. Change s to n. No. No. Change n to g. Go. Go. Change g to l. Low. Low. Change l to m. Mo. Nice job. All right, and then the last thing we're doing today is our language awareness. We're going to learn another nursery rhyme. You may know this one, you may not, but I'm going to give you 2 lines today, and you're going to repeat after me. This little piggy went to the market. Great, we'll learn more of it tomorrow. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.